In this video, I will explain how to use the website floorplancreator.net. To start, click on Log In, and then from there, click on Sign Up. You will use your school Google account to sign up with Floor Plan Creator. You will get one free floor plan per account. After you've signed up, you'll click on Create a Project. This will allow you to begin your floor plan. You want to click on Project and then name your floor plan, your first and last name, so that when you turn it in, it will have your name on it. The next thing you want to do is set the outside of your structure. You can click on any type of shape you want. All you have to do is drag the element to the center of the screen. You can change the size as you want to, and you can add walls. You click on walls and then draw using your cursor, and the walls will pop right up. You can also move these around and change the size as needed. There are many other elements that you can add here. You can add doors and windows. Following the same process, you just drag the door over to your desired location on your floor plan. There are different types of doors you can add. You can also add furniture. If you click on General, there are several different types of furniture that you can add, mostly bedroom and living room type furniture. You can also add furniture for other rooms like a kitchen. You can add elements for a bathroom. And you can also add labels, which is going to be important for your assignment. Click on Annotation, and then there are two different styles of labels to choose from. Pick the one you want, drag it over, and then type the label into the box. Then click OK, and you can move the label around to wherever you want it. If you want to be able to work on your assignment later because you're not quite finished, click on Save. All right, and then you can go over to the top left corner and click on the box there, and you'll see your assignment. So if you want to work on it another time, it'll be there for you to continue working on it. Once you are completely finished, to turn it in, you will click on Share, and then you'll click on PNG Image. Don't worry about the box that comes up. Just check the bottom left of your screen to make sure that your image downloaded, and then you'll see it right here. Save it to your Google Drive.